Continuing our coverage tonight on the Fulton County investigation into former President Donald Trump and possible election interference for the 2020 election in Georgia. Rudy Giuliani should have testified today before the special grand jury.
No, he should have, but Giuliani's testimony was actually postponed after his doctor says that Giuliani isn't cleared to travel by air because of a recent operation. 11 Alive Joe Henke was in the courtroom as the judge set a new date for Giuliani to appear.
Next Wednesday, August 17th, that is when Rudy Giuliani is now being ordered to appear before the special purpose grand jury inside the Fulton County Courthouse behind me. That is unless his doctor says in addition to air travel, he can't come from New York to Atlanta by car or bus.
Air travel is not compatible with Mr. Giuliani's condition right now. And so that's why I'm saying don't do it by air. And that's plenty of time to make the trip, 13-hour drive. So,
Fulton County Superior Court Judge Robert McBurney finding a middle ground, ordering 78-year-old Rudy Giuliani to travel by ground to Atlanta.
If a doctor says it's inconsistent with his healthcare situation, we're going to change the date. This is important, but it's not that important.
Giuliani on July 7th tweeted, "The doctors and nurses and everyone at Mount Sinai Hospital in NYC diagnosed 2 arterial blockages and put stents in both." He was scheduled to testify before the grand jury today.
You're happy to appear via Zoom if that can be worked out under conditions that would replicate a grand jury proceeding here.
Giuliani's attorneys offered to make him available virtually or in person if prosecutors travel to New York. Prosecutors, though, want Giuliani in Atlanta and say they were recently told the doctor had not cleared him to travel.
Immediately afterwards, when we said to Mr. Costello, well, we have information to the contrary. He's been traveling. He then follows up with a different note that says, no air travel.
Prosecutors pointed to Giuliani tweeting on August 1st he was in the 603, the area code for New Hampshire. With Giuliani now expected in Atlanta next week, his attorney Bill Thomas said before he testifies he wants one question answered.
Whether or not Mr. Giuliani is a target of this investigation. Thomas
has asked prosecutors if Giuliani could face criminal charges, a question prosecutors did not answer today, but McBurney said they should respond to by next Wednesday. In Atlanta, I'm Joe Henke, 11 Alive News.